read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and waiting for our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter U. Okay, today I will teach you its formation, sound, vocabulary words. Okay, so let's start. Start from second line, come down, turn, go up, come straight down, make a small loop. It will make lowercase letter U. The letter name is U and the sound of U is umbrella, umpire. What's the sound of U? The sound of U is The umpire holds an umbrella. The umpire holds an umbrella. Now tell me about that. Who holds the umbrella? Leela? No. Umpire. Yes. Very good. Now tell me, what color is the umbrella? What color is the umbrella? Tell me fast.
Red.
Yes, you are right. Now it's time to mime. Just pretend to put up an umbrella and say, up, umbrella. Up, umbrella. Up, umbrella. Very good. Today our letter was U and the sound of U was umbrella. I hope so. You enjoyed a lot today's lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.